SonoClipShare is a HIPAA compliant way of sharing images with others, as well as being able to give feedback and basically store and categorize specific clips and specific exams for later use and later sharing. So when you click login, you can go ahead and place an email and a password. If you don't have an account, go ahead and go to sign up, which is what I'm going to do here. And I'm going to sign in with a user that has not signed in before. And it is that easy. We have an account through Google. Now to create a new archive, let's go ahead and hit on this blue sidebar. We're going to hit this plus button to add. And let's say we want to start off with uploading some gallbladder scans. And so we'll create the archive title gallbladder. And we're going to click and we're going to drag off the screen this gallbladder clip and wait for it to load. And now we are fully loaded. And when we click this button, which has our archives, we have our gallbladder archive here, when we started it, as well as how many clips are in there. Now, if we want to look and see what we have inside, we can click this button. If we want to share, we hit that one. If we want to add to this archive, we hit this one. So let's say that we want to add another gallbladder clip that we did later onto the gallbladder archive. We're going to load another one on here. And notice that that one is now uploaded. We hit the close button. We're going to hit refresh. And now we have 2 in there. Now, this is key if you are part of the Ultrasound Leadership Academy, or if you want to share this with anyone, either to show them the scans for their curiosity, or if they're reviewing them, you're going to click share this archive. And we're going to type in an email. I'll type in my email. And then we'll go ahead and send it. And now it's been shared with me. So now I will have access to these. And you'll want to do this for every examination that you have. And as you can see here, the email that whoever you shared that archive with, they will get an email that there was a new archive shared with them. They can click it and access it that way. Now let's talk about adding another archive. We could create a different one for ocular, and let's upload a papilledema clip here. Kind of a big clip there, but we're going to let it upload. And we can go back to the archive and see that now we have an ocular one here. Now, when we want to add any notes to these archives, we can add them here. We have a bunch of pre-populated tags that we can label them as we want, and we can also describe what was going on and difficulties that we had, submit it by hitting the submit button, and then anyone who has access to the specific archive will be able to see it. This is a way that your ultrasounds can be organized. They can be easily referenced, especially if you're looking for some feedback with your clips, if you want to see progress, or if you want to have an archive where you can save some of your clips for further use, such as in lectures. And you can obviously directly download from here by hitting the download button, and it will download it directly to whatever folder you have it set up for.